Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best home security cameras in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading security camera that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products, I mentioned be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Blink Mini, a compact indoor plug-in smart security camera. With features like 1080p HD video, night vision, and motion detection, the Blink Mini provides crystal clear 1080p HD video. Whether it's day or night, the night vision ensures you can monitor your home effectively. It's perfect for keeping an eye on your space around the clock. One of the standout features is motion detection. The Blink Mini sends alerts to your smartphone whenever motion is detected. Customize motion detection zones to focus on what matters most, so you never miss a thing. With two-way audio, you can see, hear, and speak to people and pets in your home from your smartphone. It's a great feature for checking in on loved ones or scaring off potential intruders. Setting up the Blink Mini is a breeze. Just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and follow the instructions in the Blink Home Monitor app. Plus, it works seamlessly with Alexa for voice control and smart home integration. Choose to save and share clips with a free 30-day trial of the Blink subscription plan, or store them locally with the Sync module sold separately. This flexibility ensures you can manage your recordings as per your needs. In conclusion, the Blink Mini is a fantastic smart security camera for your home. Its HD video, motion detection, and easy setup make it a top choice for indoor monitoring. Number 4. The Kasa Smart Indoor Pan-Tilt Home Security Camera. This versatile camera promises exceptional coverage, night vision, and smart features. The Kasa Smart Camera offers a 360-degree horizontal and 113-degree vertical range. This wide field of view allows you to monitor entire rooms or walkways, ensuring you never miss a thing. It's perfect for comprehensive indoor security. One standout feature is motion tracking. The camera automatically follows moving objects or people, providing real-time alerts. You'll get instant push notifications when motion is detected, and you can even enable baby crying detection. Capture clear, 1080p full HD video with the Kasa Smart Camera. The integrated IR system provides up to 30 feet of night vision, ensuring excellent visibility even in low-light conditions. Your home will be secure day and night. Choose between local or cloud storage options. Save footage continuously on a micro SD card up to 256 gigabytes, or subscribe to Kasa Care for cloud storage. Enjoy a 30-day video history, video summaries, and activity notifications with snapshots. Control the camera effortlessly with the Kasa Smart app. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Home, allowing you to use voice commands for live view, arming, disarming, and more. Convenient and smart, it fits right into your home setup. In conclusion, the Kasa Smart Indoor Pan-Tilt Home Security Camera is a fantastic addition to your home security setup. Its wide field of view, motion tracking, and smart integration make it a top choice for any household. Number 3. The Blink Outdoor 4, the newest model in their smart security camera lineup. This wire-free, weather-resistant system promises top-notch security features and ease of use. The Blink Outdoor 4 offers 1080p HD live view and crisp two-way audio. From the Blink app, you can see and speak to anyone at your home. Whether it's to deter intruders or chat with visitors, it's incredibly handy. One of the standout features is its impressive 2-year battery life. With the included AA lithium batteries, you can set it up yourself in minutes and enjoy long-lasting power without frequent battery changes. The enhanced motion detection feature provides faster alerts on your smartphone. With dual zone detection, you'll be notified of any motion, ensuring you stay informed about what's happening around your home. The Blink Outdoor 4 includes person detection with embedded computer vision as part of an optional Blink subscription plan. Receive specific alerts when a person is detected, adding an extra layer of security. For added convenience, the Blink Outdoor 4 works seamlessly with Alexa. Connect it to an Alexa-enabled device to engage live view, arm and disarm the system, and more using just your voice. In conclusion, the Blink Outdoor 4 is an excellent addition to your home security setup. Its HD live view, 2-year battery life, and enhanced motion detection make it a standout choice. Number 2, the Blink Indoor, a wireless HD security camera system. With features like 2-year battery life, motion detection, and two-way audio, this system promises comprehensive home security. The Blink Indoor cameras are entirely wireless, powered by 2 AA lithium batteries, and boast an impressive 2-year battery life. This means hassle-free, long-term security without frequent battery changes. With 1080p HD video and infrared night vision, the Blink Indoor allows you to check in on your home day or night. Whether it's keeping an eye on pets or monitoring for intruders, you'll always have a clear view. Get customizable motion alerts on your phone through the Blink Home Monitor app. This feature ensures you're only alerted when necessary, making your security system more efficient and less intrusive. The two-way audio feature lets you see, hear, and speak to people and pets in real time via the Blink app. It's perfect for checking in on loved ones or scaring off potential intruders. Setting up the Blink Indoor is a breeze. No wiring or professional installation required. Plus, it works with Alexa, so you can use your voice to monitor your home through supported Alexa-enabled devices. In conclusion, the Blink Indoor security camera system is a fantastic option for anyone looking to enhance their home security. Its wireless design, long battery life, and smart features make it a top choice. Number 1, the latest from Ring, the Indoor Cam 2nd Generation. With 1080p HD video, color night vision, and two-way talk, the Ring Indoor camera offers crystal clear 1080p HD video, day or night. The color night vision ensures you get detailed images, even in low-light conditions. It's perfect for keeping an eye on your home around the clock. One standout feature is the advanced pre-roll. This records a few extra seconds before motion events, giving you a more complete picture of what happened. It's incredibly useful for capturing all the important details. The manual privacy cover allows you to turn off the camera and mic with a simple swivel. This feature provides peace of mind when you want to ensure complete privacy in your home. Get real-time alerts on your phone when the camera detects movement. Customize what your camera covers, so you only get notified about what matters most. It's a smart way to stay informed without constant interruptions. The Ring Indoor Cam is designed for flexibility. Find the perfect angle on a table or mount it up high with the flexible swivel mount. It's a plug-in, making it easy to move and set up wherever you need it. In conclusion, the Ring Indoor Cam 2nd Generation is a fantastic addition to your home security system. Its HD video, night vision, and privacy features make it a top choice for monitoring your space. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.